Who would have imagined that an incredible treehouse could be built high above the forest floor in less than a week, using nothing but natural materials, simple tools, and remarkable craftsmanship? Without heavy machinery, this skilled builder transformed a massive ancient tree into a warm, secure, and fully functional home, surrounded by nature. The project began with a sturdy platform built around the enormous tree. One by one, peeled and polished logs were carefully placed side by side to create a solid floor. Using a hammer, he secured every log with precision, ensuring the structure was strong enough to support the entire treehouse. Next came the walls. Thick logs were stacked horizontally, using traditional joinery techniques. Each log was carefully carved with tongue and groove joints, so they locked tightly together without gaps. To improve insulation, he filled the spaces between the walls with layers of straw and soft forest moss, before covering the exterior with wooden planks. As the walls rose higher, the treehouse slowly took shape, becoming a sturdy shelter capable of resisting wind and cold weather. Once the main structure was complete, he focused on making it comfortable for long-term living. A black metal stove was installed inside, and he carefully connected the chimney pipe through the wall using basic hand tools. The chimney extended safely above the roof, allowing smoke to escape while keeping the interior warm and cozy. The roof was one of the most important parts of the build. After cutting long logs into shorter sections, he created a strong roof frame using flexible branches. He then covered it with thick layers of green moss and moist soil. This traditional roofing method naturally insulated the shelter, protected it from heavy rain and snow, and helped maintain a comfortable temperature inside throughout the seasons. To brighten the interior, he handcrafted a wooden window frame and carefully installed it into a square opening in the wall. Soft, natural light soon filled the treehouse, making the space feel even more welcoming. With construction complete, it was finally time to enjoy the results. He lit the stove by carefully arranging dry firewood and igniting it with a lighter. Within minutes, warm flames filled the room, while the aroma of a freshly cooked meal drifted through the air. Sitting comfortably on the wooden floor beside the glowing fire, he unwrapped his hot meal and enjoyed the peaceful atmosphere, surrounded by nothing but the quiet beauty of the forest. This remarkable project proves that with patience, traditional building skills, and a deep understanding of nature, it's possible to create an extraordinary wilderness home using simple materials and hard work alone. If you enjoyed watching this amazing treehouse construction, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more incredible bushcraft, survival, and off-grid building adventures. Thanks for watching.